Remember those old retro games we used to play? Those were really nice days.
They are so nostalgic. Wanna play them again?
Yes, but how do we access them?
It's easy. Let me show you.
Welcome to PC Tips Pro. For this, you need to go to Google search engine and search for retro games online. And here you can find multiple websites. You can choose one among it. Let me choose this, which is retrogames.onl, and here you can find different gaming platforms. So let's say I want to choose arcade machine, and here we have multiple games that we use it to play. So we can just choose one among these. Let's say this, and here you can find the overview. You can just click on this and you can start the game.
This is all for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you. For more useful tech tips, don't forget to subscribe to PC Tips Pro. And don't forget to hit on the bell icon so that you never miss an update from us.